Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Tracking Tuts YT. Today I'm bringing you a video on fixing your scripted V critical error. This comes up with the new GTA 5 update. If you don't have your scripted 5 up to date, which there's no update for it yet right now, you're gonna have to downgrade your GTA 5. So I'm gonna take you through the steps. It's super easy, and yeah. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go to the link in the description. Once you're there, it's gonna take like 15 seconds to load. You're gonna be able to click this green button, then it'll take you to this site. You're gonna need to download this file. When you click it, sometimes it'll take you to a not the right site. You're gonna need to close that. It'll also download something that's not the right download. It needs to be like a gigabyte and with .rar, which that was like an exe. So once you get the download going, it's gonna take a few minutes. So once that's done downloading, you're gonna right click it, extract the folder, and you're gonna open that up. Open up the next folder, and you'll have all of these files which you'll need to replace into your main GTA folder. So open up your Steam, right click your GTA properties, then go to your local files, and then click on browse. So once you're here, you can close all the Steam stuff, and then you're gonna need to select the GTA 5 files. So you can Control A on the text document, drag them into your GTA 5 folder, and you're gonna need to replace anything it says. Now we're gonna need to get the RPF, the update.rpf, Control X or cut it, and you're gonna need to take that into your mod folder, and you're gonna go to update, and you're gonna replace this update.rpf in your mod folder and not your normal folder. So now we're gonna launch GTA, and as you can see, my GTA 5 is working with mods, and yeah, it's a super easy tutorial. If it helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and peace out.